Good morning. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you to Rock Tecnologia. I'm Raffaele Bolognini, Laboratory Manager of ITERCHIMICA. ITERCHIMICA is an Italian leader in asphalt chemical additives and road paving technology sector. Every year, ITERCHIMICA invests more than 2 million euros in research and development. ITERCHIMICA was established in 1967, so we have 50 years of history in production of additives of bituminous mixtures and bitumen. Here we have a list of our product divided in 3 categories. The first of all, the new infrastructures, additives and polymers for road, highways and airports. First of all, the ITERLane line for anti-stripping agent to modify the chemical structure of the bitumen to increase the affinity between aggregate and bitumen and to avoid the phenomenon of stripping. Rejuvenators for hot mix asphalt with high percentage of REP to restore the chemical and physical structure of aged bitumen, to decrease the stiffness of the material and to avoid the cracks on the pavement. Emulsifier for production of standard and special bitumen emulsion, every kind, cationic, anionic, slow setting, medium setting, and rapid setting. Cellulose fibers made with the natural cellulose, mineral or synthetic nature to reinforce and thicken the bitumen. The polymers for mixes modification to create the PMA, introducing this polymer directly into the mixer during the production to create the high modulus asphalt. The ITER PPS line, which are one pellet, are polyfunctional compounds, so one pellet with inside the benefits of fibers plus the benefits of polymers. We also have the polymers for bitumen, like SBS, to modify the chemical structure of the bitumen. We have also an ITERoxide line for surface coloring or production of clear colored asphalt mixture, so to color the surface and also the mass of the mixture. Anti-kerosene surface treatment for asphalt pavement, which is, the name is resin KSC, and is a surface treatment water-based, so without solvent, to protect the pavement. And we also have the version in the mass, the anti-kerosene treatment, when you want to make a new wearing course. The second sector also is for maintenance. The ITERLane ACF HP Green, a special cold binders for production of cold asphalt for road maintenance, so for the pothole, using 100% of REP. The ITER oil line, which are the traditional and ecological flux oil for the cold asphalt, so to create a typical cold asphalt to repair road. ITERmastic C for bituminous mastics for crack and maintenance. And the third line, which is the green line, the ITERlow T, which are additives for warm mix asphalt with and without high RAP content. So with this additive, we can reduce the temperature of production and above all of compaction. The ITER sealants, which are special compound to create a special wearing course with low noise. ITER sorb, which are the deodorizing additives for bitumen, and ITER TO2 is an anti-smoke additive for surface treatment for asphalt pavements. Here we have some references. In the last 7 years, we have sold anti-stripping agent to create over than 3,000 kilometers of road, polymers to create over than 5,000 kilometers, and fibers to build over than 3,000 kilometers. We have also a strong collaboration with the university and research center, both all with Polytechnic of Milano and Torino, but also in Europe with the University of Belgrade, but also outside Europe with the University of Tehran and many others. The core of ITERCHIMICA is the research and development department, In fact, here we create the additives, and the additives that we sell is the result of the 30 years of research on this technology to satisfy the market needs. We have several laboratories where we can create the right additive for the right asphalt, so for a specific project. In the last in these 50 years, we have sold in materials additives in over than 80 countries, as you can see in the maps. Thank you for attention.